So it really simplifies connectivity. You can have all of these devices on your desktop connected together in a daisy chain, single cable kind of a fashion. And here I'm going to show you an example of Ligh Peak in a professional media creation environment, showing both the high performance aspects of it as well as the cable simplification, being able to use the single cables to connect to a wide variety of media creation devices. So what we're going to show here is a professional media creation workflow that in the past, because of its high bandwidth requirements and low latency requirements, really had to connect between a workstation and a media creation device such as this one from AVID. And so what we're showing here is this is a prototype media creation box from AVID with Ligh Peak integrated, and it's connected to this laptop here. This is a laptop from Compal, built by Compal, again with Ligh Peak integrated, and these are working together along with this high-speed storage device, again a prototype with Ligh Peak integrated from Western Digital. And what we're able to do is supply high-speed external storage here into this media creation box. Now normally in a real-time environment, this would be taking many feeds of music and video input, doing some processing, working with the laptop, which runs the AVID Pro Tools software, where you're able to do all of your real-time processing and mixing in conjunction with this box. And again, in the past, you were only able to do that with a workstation. Now with Ligh Peak, you're actually able to connect this up to a laptop, a mobile workstation, and be able to do that kind of work on your high-performance laptop. So again, we have the AVID Pro Tools software running on here, and you can see there's you're able to mix the various tracks that you're working with on the laptop. And then over here, on this display, it's actually displaying out all of the tracks in real time that you're creating as you're doing this processing session. So another aspect of this demonstration is we have a HD camcorder taking real-time footage and then feeding that video, streaming that video through this AVID box and being displayed onto this TV here. Again, all through the same Ligh Peak cables that we just talked about at the same time that we're doing the video editing session. So a benefit of being able to do this on your laptop is you can take your laptop on the road and then bring it back to your office where you're doing your video creation, plug it in with a single cable, and then have your entire environment on your desktop to be able to do your professional work. Taking that to just sort of a mainstream consumer usage, you could have an ultra-thin laptop with very few connectors. You have a Ligh Peak connector. You take it on the road, you have full mobility that you want. You come back to your home or office, and then you have on your desktop all of your I/O expansion, your displays, your storage, and with a single cable, you can connect that ultra-thin laptop up to everything that you need on your desktop. So all of the components that are in all of these prototype devices will be available for customers by the end of this year, and we expect to see initial systems actually coming to market by next year.